This quadratic has got no real roots, and that implies that this discriminant is less than 0, and the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac has got to be less than 0. So a equals the coefficient of x squared, b equals the coefficient of x, which in this case is 3k minus 1, and c equals negative 4. And so I've got to do b squared, which is 3k minus 1 squared, and minus 4 times a is k times c is negative 4, and that's got to be less than 0. Multiply this out, that'll give me 9k squared minus 3k minus 1, 3 more k will be minus 6k, and then minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, and I've got minus times minus is plus 16k is less than 0, and that'll give me 9k squared plus 10k plus 1 is less than 0. And what I'm going to do first, I always like finding the roots of when it equals 0, and then I'm going to draw the picture of it, and this one here will be a, don't know where it's going to go yet, it will be a U-shaped curve because it's positive. And I want to when it's less than 0, so I'm going to have it when it's underneath the lines. Let's solve this one. This looks like it's going to factorize to me, so put this in here, put the k's in, but leave some space for the numbers in front of it. It's got to be 1, so it's going to have to be 1 and 1. And both got to be positive, or both negative, but that's positive. So that's both going to have to be positive. It could get 3 and 3, but it's obviously going to be 9 and 1. Don't need that 1. And that equals 0. So either 9k plus 1 equals 0, or k plus 1 equals 0. So k equals minus 1/9, or k equals minus 1. So now I can draw this in there. I've got minus 1/9 and minus 1. It's a U-shaped curve here, and I want to have all the values here because it's less than 0, so that goes underneath the line. So the answer is going to be minus 1 is less than k, which is less than minus 1/9. And it needs to be strictly here, because if it were to equal 0, then it would have one repeated root, and it has no real roots, so it absolutely must be strictly less than like I've got here. And that's question 8 done.